Hey everybody, happy Tuesday, day after Labor Day. What do they always say about Nebraska? If you don't like the weather, wait just a minute, it'll change. And isn't that the truth? So Saturday it was high 90s and super sunny, warm. And today it's frigid and windy and raining and miserable. But that's Nebraska for you. So I want to show you guys something I'm super excited about. We have campers. It is starting to look a little full on our lot, which is awesome. We are getting tons of new models and floor plans in every day. One thing we're going to be showing you is some of the differences in the 2021s that are arriving. Here's just a quick little one here. The graphics on the outside of the Outbacks, those are changing a little bit. Springdale interiors, Cougar interiors, Sprinter interiors and exteriors. We've got a lot of changes coming up in the 2021, so we're going to be bringing those to you as the weeks roll on. But I'm just excited. We're getting some inventory in. I know the manufacturers were on some delays with COVID, but things seem to be up and running now, so we're excited. We're getting new stuff in every single day.